YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong set na naman tayong pagkakita. Ito ang ok/trx.xyz. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-sign up or register dito? Ilagay lamang ating mobile number, login password, security password at ang ating invitation code. And then i-attach natin yung code. Then once na fill up natin siya guys, click natin tong sign up. So yun nga guys, no? Once na nakapag-sign up at login na tayo, may latest announcement sa atin si OKE-TRX. So OKE-TRX Top 10 Global Mining Bases. My number 1 next to the Girgoli Yower Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington State, Northwestern United States. My number 2 next to the Curio Yower Station in Northern Brazil. My number 3 Zambezi River, Gia, Zimbabwe, next to the Bashawer Station, Mozambique. My number 4 the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of northern Brazil, adjacent to the Tucrebo Power Station. My number 5 next to Tucumã Yower Station on the lower Carone River in Venezuela. My number 6 Upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil, next to the Itaipu Power Station. My number 7 next to the nuclear power plant in Kelgar, Karnataka, India, on the banks of the Kalinadi River. My number 8 Upper Zingo River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil, next to the Maisian Haibo Station. My number 9 next to Joyli Shawo Station in eastern Venezuela. And then the last one is the my number 10 Upper Yenese River in Ziviani, Sayan Shoye Power Station. So yan guys, no, once na naka-login na tayo, meron tayong total balance dito si OKE-TRX na 1,290.86 TRX. So magtungo muna tayo sa ating trading. So yan guys, no, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating trading, we have here the trading profit 24-hour settlement and the cloud mining is working positive 5%. And then we have here the 64.54 TRX quantifying transaction revenue. So click lang natin itong receive. So yung successful receipt na siya guys, no? So magtungo tayo sa ating invest. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating invest, we have here the product list. So OKE-TRX my number 1 daily rate 2 cycle 7 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 2 daily rate 3 cycle 30 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 10 daily rate 5 cycle 90 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 5 daily rate 6 cycle 120 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 8 daily rate 7 cycle 150 days. And then OKE-TRX my number 2 daily rate 8 cycle 180 days. And then the last one is the OKE-TRX my number 7 daily rate 13.5 cycle 360 days. So ito nyan guys, magtungo muna tayo sa ating share. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating share, we have here the QR code and then yung ating invite code and then yung ating copy link, yung ating referral link. So, paano nga pa tayo makapag-earn ng ating rewards dito sa ating site? So, kailangan natin nang i-copy lang tong ating link, ang ating referral link, then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger, at saka sa ating mga friends at contacts. So, para makapag-earn tayo ng ating rewards. So, magtungo tayo sa ating mine. So yun guys, no, magtungo tayo sa ating mine. Once na nakatungo sa ating mine, we have here the total balance is 1,355.40 TRX of AP1. So we have here the deposit and withdrawal. So TRX deposit quantity 15 TRX. So to recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-deposit dito sa ating site? Click natin itong ating deposit. So once na nakita natin yung deposit, we have here the transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. So investment is divided in two modes. First, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone after 24 every day. So second one is the recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles, return the principal and income upon maturity. View notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or unpromotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So, magtungo tayo dito sa ating transfer to basic account. So, once nakatungo tayo sa ating transfer to basic account, we have here the QR code and then yung ating copy address. So, itong copy address natin guys, ika-copy lang natin to at ipipaste sa ating Binance account. para makapag-withdraw dun sa ating balance account at para makapag-deposit dito sa ating site. So, once na success na yung withdrawal dun sa ating balance account, click lang natin itong ating recharge complete para pumasok yung ating i-deposit dito sa ating site. So, back tayo guys. So, paano nga naman guys mag-withdraw dito sa ating site? Click lang natin yung ating withdrawal. So yun nga guys, now once na click natin yung withdrawal, we have here the basic account balance. So 24-hour withdrawal. So total balance natin guys is 1,355.40. So daily withdrawal natin limit is 0.45. So para makapag-withdraw dito sa ating site, ilalagay lang natin yung ating quota or yung ating desired amount na withdrawin dito sa ating site para malagay sa ating Binance account. So, ikakopy lang din natin yung ating wallet address sa ating Binance account and then ipipaste din siya dito sa ating address and then yung ating security password. So, ilalagay lang siya dito guys. I-input nyo lang siya guys, i-fill up nyo lang siya and then once na na-fill up nyo na, click nyo lang yung confirm. So yun nga guys, no, ganun lang siya guys, napakadali lang siya ng itong ating site. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Napaka-legit na itong ating site guys, no? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo at huwag kalimutan i-click ang notification bell button at subscribe button para mas update pa kayo sa mga i-release ko pang mga video.